I've long wanted to try out this e-bike, the Santa Cruz Skitch. It just looked like such a cool bike in the ads, and I finally got a chance in Santa Monica at Helen Cycles to try this e-bike out. Great components from the hubs to the nomenclature on the nameplate. It just screams cool, and it rides really well. Great components from all the way around this e-bike, from the SRAM Apex shifters, great tires. The fork is carbon, the frame itself is carbon, so it has a really smooth, comfortable ride. The zip handlebars. This particular e-bike was a drop bar. I like the more backswept upright handlebars. But as you can see, everything is just integrated so nicely. I love the more simplistic displays that are built into the top tubes. I don't really like the big iPad looking things. I like the more simple, straightforward stuff. These Schwabe G1s are great tires, perfect for this bike. The seat, super duper comfortable. If you had by the way, these Praxis cranks are just excellent. This is an expensive bike, but all the components, as you can see on here, from the handlebars to the seat to the cranks to the chain ring to the chain, all of it is just first class, top tier stuff. Even the little chain guard there, really well done. And when you hop on to ride this bike around town, that Cane Creek stem up front, just another one of those top tier components that makes this bike from start to finish all the way
Pedal
around.
assist levels from lowest to highest, white,
Take it out
green,
onto the
blue,
street,
pink. So right now it's on
trail,
pink. That
use
is
it
the
as a
highest
gravel
assist
bike,
level.
all around town commuters.
What is it? Breeze River Rocket is the highest one.
It's
White
an
is off.
expensive bike.
Right now
the
it's on the
most
highest
expensive version of this, I think it's right around $7,000. I tried out this large version. I'm about 5'10". That tends to fit me just about perfectly regardless of the bike. I picked this one up at Helen Cycles, Santa Cruz Skitch in Santa Monica, California. I don't remember if this was a 25 or a 26-year model. I think they're real similar either way. And again, that carbon fiber frame with the drop post on there, all that just made this a super comfortable e-bike. Everything well thought out, integrated, fits perfectly together. It reminds me of buying like an Apple computer where all the parts and components from, where you put the pedal to the metal to where, heading down
So
the trail.
riding the Santa Cruz Skitch right now, it's in the white mode,
well
which means it
together.
has no
does.
assist
It's
whatsoever.
It's fast.
Some e-bikes love
comfortable,
to
it's
sort of
efficient.
tout how great they are
It's
with no
great
assist
range.
because they're light or what
This
have
one
you.
is a
This one delivers on
bike.
that. This one is
on this
super
trail right
light.
here. It's actually a protected
on
bike
no assist
path
level,
in the
it's just
heart of
cruising
Santa
right along.
Monica,
So
down near,
if there's a better
somewhere down in there,
sort of commuting,
just
urban
rides
commuting
incredibly
e-bike,
well.
I would
buy
say able
this
to
one
do
in a
more
second,
under
but like
human
any
power
bike,
without
I
any
would say
assist.
try it
Out there in the market, I'm not aware of what
buy
it
it.
would be, but this one truly delivers on that.